Okay, hey guys, this video is going to walk you through how to do annotations in a Google document, okay? If you are working from your computer, you will do just as I do. If you are working from your phone, it might look a tad different on your phone. So you need to ensure that you have the actual Google Docs app installed on your phone, okay? So this is just a random article. You do not have to do anything with this article. It is simply a how-to, okay? So here we go. The title, College Admissions Scandal is News, but Not New. Okay, so if I'm going to annotate, I'm just basically showing my thoughts or writing down my thoughts as I am reading. So this triggers something, so I highlighted it. So we all know the basics of highlighting. So I'm going to highlight that title. And then you see over here, it pops up a little comment box with a plus sign inside of it. Click that box, and then it gives you a box to type in your comment. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my comment. So let me see. Okay, how many people cheat in order to get into college? And then I'm going to click comment. And then it's going to pop it out to the right-hand side, okay? So then I'm just going to keep reading, and as I'm reading, and when certain things I'm like, oh, okay, I want to make a connection there, or I have a question about this, or I want to remember that, then you want to highlight those things and make that comment so that you can go back and see them. So I'm going to read a little bit through just to kind of show you. Okay, there's a famous scene in Casablanca where the corrupt police chief, played by Claude Rains, shut down Humphrey Bogart's casino. I'm shocked to find that gambling is going on in here. Rains deadpans. Oh, a croupier then hands him a wad of cash. Your winnings, sir. Oh, yeah, thank you, Rains said. Are we really shocked to learn that a small group of very rich people paid stupid money to make their kids look smart? The college scandal, dubbed Operation Varsity Blues, has been a huge story this past week. But we are totally stunned that 33 parents are accused of paying a con artist named Rick Singer to hire a phony test taker or bribe college coaches in order to open side doors for their kids' admissions. Okay, so I'm going to go back up here. Are we really shocked to learn that a small group of very rich people paid stupid money to make their kids look smart? Okay, so I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm going to comment out here. So I'm going to say, okay, so as a parent, I do and don't understand why some parents would do this for their children. And then I'm going to make a connection right here, Operation Varsity Blues. Remember when this movie came out. Okay, so that's just a random connection. Let me see. Paid a con artist named Rick Singer to hire a phony test taker or bribe college coaches in order to open side doors. So, phony test taker. I would. Okay, I would find it hard to hire someone to take a test for me, but that's just me. I need to know what has my name attached to it, and then I'm going to click comment, okay? And so if you notice, as you highlight certain things and you make those comments, when you click out of it, it kind of highlights them like that yellowy color, so you know that you have a comment there, okay? So I'm going to keep reading. To judge by the headlines and the breathless class warfare commentaries, you'd think this was the first time someone tried to improperly get into college. Try that idea on any veteran sports writer. You'll get a laugh. In the first of perspectives, may we offer this. First, there are nearly 20 million students enrolled in American colleges and universities. The vast majority of them got in through hard work and study. The vast majority took their own SAT and ACT test. The vast majority of their coaches, teachers, and administrators do things properly. The students mentioned in this recent scam scandal, which have been going on reportedly for 8 years, represent 10 millionths of the American college population. Double it, quadruple it. It won't qualify as a blip. As a blip. Okay, so I'm going to highlight right here. Actually, I'll go here. Coaches, teachers, and administrators do things properly. I'm going to highlight that, and then I'm going to comment out to the side. Okay, so I've written numerous letters to colleges on behalf of students and their character, academics over the years. Yes, people do things the right way. There was something else I wanted to do. SAT and ACT test, that just kind of rang a bell, so I want to comment here. Okay, so yes, these tests are difficult, but with hard work and determination, they are tests that students can be successful on. Okay, so that's all I'm going to show you, kind of get the drift of it. And then those comments will pop out to the side on the right-hand side as you go throughout the document, okay? So this is how you annotate in Google Docs, using Google Docs and using the comment tool. So this is how you handle that.